On average, Aussies are buying 27 kilograms of clothing every year, and while our closets may be bursting at the seams, many women still struggle to find something to wear.
But wardrobe reinventing it might be the key to saving you money and staying stylish. Our reporter Britt Cohen has more.
Get back in there.
30-year-old Anne Garcia is adjusting to her new life as a mum. And part of her personal change has been letting go of her old style.
And you're having a bit of trouble with your wardrobe. What's going on?
I feel like before I had my daughter, I had a very grungy vibe. I was more into black and a lot of lace, and since I've had her, my style's changed a lot, and I feel like I've grown up, and now my wardrobe doesn't reflect who I am at all.
Well, this morning we've brought in eco-stylist Faye De Lanty to give Anne a helping hand.
The solution is to actually simplify, declutter, and it's incredible what you can do with what you already have. Okay, the denim shirt, yeah, that's a great basic, so we can do a lot with that. Things like this are going to be hard for you to run around with a little girl on your hip, right?
Yes, they don't stay up.
Exactly. So that's not a good option. So we'll pop them in the donate pile as well.
Faye says unwanted items will always find a new home.
There's a fantastic initiative called Moving the Needle, and it's really about consumers and retailers all joining forces to reduce textile waste and keep it in the loop.
Once Anne's clothes are streamlined, Faye is making her wardrobe more shoppable.
Wow, Faye, that looks incredible. So I've put everything on the same coloured hangers, and then I've put things into colour stories. So Anne has a really clear picture of not only what she has, but what she can possibly team together.
Can't wait to see what outfits you've come up with. Should we get started?
Absolutely. So first things first, we're going to transform this skirt that's too long into a dress.
How do you feel?
I love it. It's girly without being too girly, and it's still got a bit of an edge to it.
So this is a perfect example of reworking something that you have. And this belt was actually on another one of your dresses, so we just stole it off that.
Faye has also reworked an old crop top into a smart casual outfit.
So it's actually a really nice little top, so I just wanted to show her how you could rock that with a simple pair of high-waisted jeans. You've just got comfy cons on, so you can still run around and do what you need to do with your little one.
And double denim, would you ever have thought to wear this before?
No, it's so intimidating. I love the look on other people, but I never thought I could pull it off.
As you can see, it just looks effortless. It's comfortable, it's easy to run around, but it's put together. Added a little pop of fun with some leopard print flats that you had, and a little bit of frosting with a vintage brooch. Can't go wrong.
Faye has also restyled an old dress to achieve a completely different look.
There's no reason that you can't undo the buttons and wear it as a vest. It's another good way to look put together and elevated, but you can still do what you need to do.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
I feel good. I feel very grown up.
So this look is a bit more edgy and a bit more cool, and I like that you've turned the dress into a skirt.
Absolutely. A simple little black dress is the best thing ever. And then we've added a denim jacket.
And we're going to keep the same black dress, but just change it up into something completely different.
Absolutely. We're going to transform it for date night.
I love it. I feel so sophisticated.
Scarves are such a great way to transform simple pieces like a little black dress. So we've just simply draped it over the front, added a little white belt which picks up the colour in the scarf, put the hair back, added some serious ear bling, and you are ready for date night, my friend.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
Go and shop your own wardrobe. Great tips from Faye De Lanty.
Almost. So close. So glad that was you and not me for so many reasons. Coming up on Today Extra, grease items up for